he's dived, but I think it's
a lot of T20 experience. Stephen Taylor. Oh dear, he started with a full toss. And actually, Curtin done pretty well to...
Ali Khan has success. And a swing and a miss, and it wrong and suffered to the tune of 6. Again, well directed. It's just so beautifully up and over from a shorter length. That is an outstanding cricket. Last ball. And that'll go down the ground. Now then, will that make it? No, it will not. It's cut off at the pass.
It means they have to go at almost 10 runs to the over. It's going to be quite some chase, but it is on a very good surface here at the Grand Prairie Stadium in Dallas. Didn't see swing for you. Well, that's good. He started wide of the wicket and now he got it straighter. And what a start, and this is exactly what we were told about Kalim's on target. He picked up the length quickly this time around. Timed it well enough. Timing. Close is very good, wide on. Goes wide again and pays a price. Luck.
Managed WordPress hosting by Hostinger. Here are 3 super features to improve your...
Inside edge will bring him forward. Well, maybe just... He goes short. And more than enough opportunity to free the arms. Runs are flowing. Runs are flowing. Well, they'll just add to frustrations for Canada in that.
What I'd be thinking now.
Another fist pump. As an effective edge.
every ball is a boundary or a free hit.
Sadi. Catching.
Off the back foot, it's going to have to clear a tall man, it doesn't. Clean striker of the ball.
Yo.
That's his shot he likes, and does it go all the way? It does now. It's been
Sadi.
well, no surprise there. He was always going to finish it. He was always